In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Bank of America account to PayPal. By the end, you'll have your bank connected so you can move money in and out of PayPal with confidence. You can follow along on the PayPal app or on the website. The steps are essentially the same, so use whichever is most convenient for you. Start by signing into your PayPal account. Make sure you're on the official PayPal app or the correct website and that the app is up to date. This keeps your account secure and helps the process go smoothly. Once you're in, head to Wallet. On the app, you'll typically see Wallet in the main navigation. On the website, it's at the top of the page. Wallet is where all your payment methods live, including cards and bank accounts. Next, choose Link a bank account. This is different from linking a card. Adding a bank lets you withdraw funds to your bank and add money to PayPal when needed. When the list of banks appears, select Bank of America. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar to find it quickly. You'll now have two ways to connect. The fastest is instant verification. Select Bank of America and sign in with your Bank of America online banking details using the secure prompt provided. This verification happens through encrypted connections, and it's designed so you never share information with anyone outside of the secure flow. You may be asked to confirm your identity, such as approving a login in your bank app. Follow the on-screen instructions until you see confirmation. If you prefer not to sign into your bank, choose Link Your Bank another way. This option lets you enter your routing and account numbers manually. You can find those in your Bank of America app or on a check. Take a moment to double-check that the numbers are accurate. Mistyped digits are the most common reason for delays. With manual entry, it can take a bit longer for PayPal to confirm your bank before it's fully available. Once PayPal confirms the connection, your Bank of America account will appear in your wallet. From here, you can select it when moving money or when checking out, depending on your settings and availability. If anything doesn't look right, verify that your personal details on PayPal match those on your bank account and that your bank account is open and in good standing. Keeping both the PayPal and Bank of America apps updated also helps avoid hiccups. That's it, your Bank of America account is now linked to PayPal. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you need a quick refresher.